Hello my brothers. In this video we will learn how to build this simple interactive gallery and make it responsive as usual. We start with empty HTML, CSS and JavaScript files and some images, and here's our gallery. It's the gallery container. In it, gallery content divide into parts, presentation. In it, image has the main image class, and the second part is choose image. It includes 7 images to choose from. Great. Now it's CSS time. We have everything: padding 0 and margin 0 and box sizing border box. Cool. We have gallery with 100% and 100% to be the same size of the screen, and overflow auto to be scrolled if needed, and add to it its background. We have gallery content, display flex, and justify content center to center it, and presentation main image has width of 899 pixels, and choose image. Choose image with 200%, and add to presentation some margin right, and to center it vertically we add display flex, flex direction column, and justify content center. Good. Choose image here, and as you see we have choose image, overflow Greek scroll to be scrolled because we make it max height 100 viewport height, and to add to it some padding right to separate it from the scroll bar, and choose image display block to make them distribute vertically, and margin bottom to separate them from each other, and margin right and cursor pointer to show this image are clickable. And now let's style choose image scroll bar. We give it 8 pixels as width, and its track background dash F1, and its thumb background dash FA4616, and here we go. And add to the last image of choose image some padding bar for consistency. Now let's add its functionality with JavaScript. First, we select all choose images. In choose image model, it is in node list, so we can loop through them, and we have main image. Now let's loop through our source images. We have choose image model. For each image add event listener click. Main image model source equal image point source. That's mean when click on each image, replace the presentation image with this image. And it worked great. Now let's make it responsive. So the first breakpoint is media query, screen and max width 1118 pixels, gallery content flex direction colon, and justify content flex start. To make choose image enter the presentation, as you see here, and presentation with 70% and margin auto to center it, and presentation main image make it 100% of its container and add to it some margin top, and choose image margin top 40 pixels and overflow Y auto to remove the vertical scroll bar, because now we need the horizontal one, and max height on, padding right 0 and supply flex, and main width 100, viewport width. We have choose image scroll bar, copy it from here and paste here. Height 8 pixels and decrease choose images width to 115 pixels and margin right 12 pixels and margin bar 12 pixels. And we should add another breakpoint here. So media query, screen and max width 700 pixels. So presentation became with 95% and presentation main image margin top 80 pixels. Great, and here we go.